Hello, Connect friends. Today I would like to talk to you about basil, or basil, however you call it. It's a beautiful herb. It has a flavor profile all of its own. It's very peppery. Now, one thing that basil does not like, it doesn't like to be moved around much, and it doesn't like any kind of a breeze. So once you've picked it, you have to really store it carefully so that it'll last a long time. Now, the way that I've learned to keep it fresh is you could just take a Pyrex dish, like this, and put it in here. Now just turn that upside down. Whenever you need to use it, it's ready for you to use. I don't wash mine until I am ready to use it. I like to display my herbs because I think it looks really pretty. So I think you've seen another post where I had my parsley displayed on my countertop. So even if you didn't have a Pyrex Tupperware, you could do something like this. Just treat it very gently because this bruises easily and likes to have a lot of TLC. Just put it into a jar. Leave it on top of your countertop. I love green in my kitchen because it's nice and vibrant and beautiful. And you can really get decorative with it too. Let me just show you for a second here. You've probably all seen these kinds of dishes. Would be good for candies, but on your countertop, then it looks like it's it's meant to be there because it really is. This will stay fresh for about a week. The only thing that'll happen that you'll know that it's not fresh is it'll start to go moldy. That's how you know when it's not any good. If I was to cut this and put it in water, it would immediately wilt. And if I didn't cover it up with something, then it would just wouldn't last very long. This is a container of my mom's that I really like. And she always used to keep her Easter eggs in it. But I like to put my basil in it. It's old, it's beautiful, and it looks really nice on my countertop. I'm no Martha Stewart, but I love green in my kitchen. That's your tip on storing basil. And this is my new bunch of parsley for this week. I just love this. I just love these big bunches of parsley. And when I've got these kinds of things on my countertop, then I'm going to use them a lot more because they're in my sight and they enhance my cooking. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend.